The internet has made it easier to earn passive income more than ever before. There are now more and more ways to earn passive income that you can almost depend on. And some of these methods you may have never even heard of before. Take AI marketing, for example. It's one of the hottest new ways people are earning money right from their bedrooms, and it doesn't even require a lot of effort. In this video, we'll be teaching you all about AI marketing and how you can make $1,555 from home through it. What is AI marketing? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is completely taking over the world in more ways than one. What started out as simple computer algorithms have turned into a massive tool for the future, and now you can easily use AI to earn money at home. AI marketing is when you use AI concepts like machine learning and incorporate them into your marketing strategy. AI marketing has been used by some of the world's top online advertisers, namely Google and Facebook. The companies that we've just mentioned collect their users' data, specifically their search patterns and interests, and they use that data to target ads towards a user. However, they don't just manually collect data and apply it to a specific user. Instead, they have sophisticated AI systems that automatically collect user data, and they choose appropriate ads for that user. While concepts like AI marketing have been limited to large corporations like these in the past, today it has become more widely accessible to the general public. A good AI marketing system has a few major components. The most prominent one is data analysis. Pretty much every AI marketing system will have some form of data analysis in which they gather data and study it, putting it to some good use. They will also have automated decision-making, content generation, media buying, and real-time personalization. Now, we know what you're thinking. How on earth will you even be able to understand all of this stuff, let alone create your own AI marketing platform? Well, you don't have to, as an AI marketing service that you can make money from already exists. AI Marketing Bot. Using all the basics of AI marketing, a company came out with a service that was aptly named AI.Marketing. There are countless companies that use this website and their AI marketing for their own marketing campaigns, and they're willing to pay up generous amounts of cash to do so. But there's another layer to this whole thing. The AI bot manages to keep its prices far lower than any traditional marketing company while also giving its clients better results, which is why there's such a high demand for it. How does it do that? Well, that's because its marketing campaigns are funded by investors, not by sales. Anyone can invest in the marketing bot, and using those funds, the AI marketing bot will automatically start a marketing campaign, creating AI advertisements and affiliate links. Every time a purchase is made using an advertisement or affiliate link that was funded by an investor, the investor will earn up to 35% profit per purchase. The process is extremely quick and simple, and it doesn't require you to use any brain power at all. All you have to do is invest in it, and as soon as your funds are spent, you'll be notified of exactly how much has been spent and how much cash you've earned back from it. If your money isn't being spent, you can still take it out. So it's not some sort of security risk for your money. The website itself is quite secure and has SSL protection, and it has also never been hacked before. The bot will spend small amounts of the funds you've given it to buy advertisements all across the internet every day. As is the case with most investments, the more money you invest into it, the more money you'll end up earning. How can you get started? The first thing you need to do is go on the AI.Marketing website. Then, you need to click on the Sign In/Sign Up button on the top right-hand corner of the screen. Click on the blue brain icon to proceed further. From there, click on Register Now and add all the necessary details that they ask for. As a sign-up bonus, you'll get a $50 coupon that you can actually use to invest in some ads from the get-go. The catch with the $50 coupon is that you cannot withdraw any money until your total earnings on your actual investments have totaled over $100. However, once you've done that, you can start withdrawing money after every $10. And according to most investors, as well as from personal experience, the first $100 takes almost no time to make. Why invest in this? So, why should you invest in this instead of, say, cryptocurrency or stocks? Well, it's pretty simple. AI marketing required no extra work on your part, just your capital. There's very little risk involved in investing in AI marketing. When you buy and sell stock or crypto, you still have to keep track of when stocks are low, invest in them then, and then manually sell those stocks when they're worth more. This can be a painstakingly slow process, and you can miss an opportunity in the blink of an eye. At the end of the day, the entire process is manual, and you're not even guaranteed returns. With AI marketing, you never have to worry about keeping track of your investment ever again. While you still have the option of keeping track of your investment, in most cases, you're almost guaranteed to earn back what you invested and some profit on top. It's all passive income that you don't have to spend any kind of effort on. While it may sound crazy at first, this isn't some sort of get-rich-quick scheme, as the company has a very clear and profitable business model that benefits both them and the investors. For each sale, you get 55% of the profits, and AI marketing gets 45%. This is a pretty good deal, considering even most affiliate programs don't give you nearly as big of a share in profits. Is it safe? A lot of people have concerns and reservations when it comes to AI marketing, especially since it's not that well known in the mainstream. However, many of these concerns may be overblown. The biggest concern that some people have is that the company is registered in Hong Kong, not in the United States. Well, that's not because Hong Kong is some sort of unsafe place to invest in. In fact, Hong Kong is considered one of the safest places to invest in the world. The reason why it's registered in Hong Kong is that Hong Kong has lower taxes, so the company naturally wants to save up on some money. Another concern that some people have is that the company is simply going to run away with your money. That will not happen, and we say this with personal experience. There can be times when it takes longer for the AI to buy ads and add them to your balance. But for the most part, the process is pretty quick, and you should earn back your money without worrying about it disappearing. Some massive corporations have worked with AI marketing in the past, and you can actually keep track of every single ad your money purchases. The whole process is pretty transparent. It can take a while, up to 2 weeks, for your earnings to actually show up in your balance sometimes. And that's because some purchases have a refundable period in which there may be something wrong with the purchase. Once that refundable period is over, your earnings will show up in your balance. And until they do, you'll be notified of exactly how much money you're owed. Final thoughts. Overall, AI marketing can be a great way to earn passive income. It's a lot less work-intensive when compared to other passive income methods, such as affiliate marketing or stock investments. And on top of that, you're almost guaranteed cash back and transparency. You should still do all the necessary research before you actually invest massive amounts into this. There seems to be a $2,500 limit, after which the bot slows down and takes way too long to process your earnings into buying ads. If you keep your investments below that limit, you should have no problems. You can always take out your money whenever you want if it hasn't been spent. That's a wrap for AI marketing. Is AI marketing something you'd be interested in trying out for yourself? Let us know in the comments below. As always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in the next one.